Do you know what is Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana and how it is beneficial to all? In this video we'll discuss about Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana and its benefits. Hello and welcome to Bankrade, where millions of people around the world can learn and be aware of banking and finance. Under the National Mission of Financial Inclusion, Government of India launched the Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana on 28th of August 2014, with a purpose to provide access to basic banking facilities with one account to every household, financial literacy, access to credit, insurance and pension. What is Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, PMJD? PMJD has been introduced to provide a platform for three social security schemes, i.e., Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana, PMJB, Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana, PMSB, Atal Pension Yojana, APY, and Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana, PMMY. The government initially introduced this scheme for 4 years till the 28th of August 2018 and later decided to extend the PMJD program beyond the 28th of August 2018 with some changes in the scheme, such as 1. Focusing on accounts opening from every household to every adult. 2. Extending overdraft, odd, limit from 5,000 Indian rupees to 10,000 Indian rupees. 3. No conditions attached for active PMJD accounts availing odd up to 2,000 Indian rupees. 4. Age limit for availing odd facility revised from 18 to 60 years to 18 to 65 years. 5. The accidental insurance cover for new RuPay card holders raised from 1 lakh Indian rupees to 2 lakh Indian rupees in new PMJD accounts opened after the 28th of August 2018. Other benefits of the scheme: 1. Interest on deposit. 2. Accidental insurance cover of 2 Indian rupees lakhs. 3. No minimum balance required. 4. Life insurance cover of Ind 30,000/ payable on death of the beneficiary, subject to fulfillment of the eligibility condition. 5. Easy transfer of money across India. 6. Benefits of government schemes will get direct credit in these accounts. 7. After satisfactory operation of the account for 6 months, an overdraft facility will be permitted. 8. Access to pension, insurance products. 9. The claim under personal accidental insurance under PMJD shall be payable if the RuPay card holder have performed minimum one successful financial or non-financial customer-induced transaction at any bank branch, Bank Mitra, ATM, POS, e-com etc. channel both intra and interbank, i.e. on us, bank customer/RuPay card holder transacting at same bank channels, and of us, bank customer/RuPay card holder transacting at other bank channels, within 90 days prior to date of accident, including accident date, will be included as eligible transactions under the RuPay Insurance Program 2019 to 2020. 10. Overdraft facility up to Ind 10,000/ is available in only one account per household, preferably lady of the household. PMJD scheme is National Mission for Financial Inclusion to ensure access to financial services such as banking, savings, and deposit accounts, remittance, credit, insurance, pension in an affordable manner. Account under this scheme can be opened in any bank branch or business correspondent, Bank Mitra, outlet. Accounts opened under PMJD are offered with zero balance. If the account holder wishes to get checkbook, he or she can avail the same by fulfilling minimum balance criteria offered by the bank. Thanks for watching. We hope you learned something valuable today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, hit the bell icon to be the first one to get the notification of all the upcoming videos.